Today's lesson will look at cubes. There are 4 possible types of nets for a cube. When they are built, side 5 is always opposite side 6, side 3 is always opposite side 1, and side 4 is always opposite side 2. Let's look at this example. Which cube could not be made from the given net? We can see that this net is shape D of the 4 we looked at the beginning, and there are a few things we need to think about before answering the question. First of all, you need to think of the net folding into a square box with a top, a bottom, and 4 sides. Second of all, you need to identify the 3 pairs of opposite sides. You also need to know that opposite sides cannot be next to each other. And also, looking at this cube, you can see that there are 6 different images. In the case of dice, each pair of opposites adds up to 7. This means that 6 and 1 cannot be next to each other, 5 and 2 cannot be next to each other, and 4 and 3 cannot be next to each other. These are our opposite sides. Remember, in your exam, look for patterns that you can easily remember. So in this example, the red dots are on the top and the bottom, the blue dots are opposite each other, and the green dots are also opposite each other. Now we know our opposite sides, we can answer the question. So we need to remember that the opposites cannot be next to each other. If we look at A, we cannot see any opposites next to each other. If we look at B, we cannot see any opposites next to each other. If we look at C, we cannot see opposites next to each other. But if we look at D, we can see 1 and 6 next to each other. This cannot be, as they are opposite sides, so we know that the answer is D. D is the cube that cannot be made from this net.